Right now he is weaving a tabletop. You saw him spraying, and the spray is water. And the water is important because it keeps the cane soft enough so that he can weave. Otherwise, the cane would be too hard and break off, and you wouldn't have a nice tabletop. And this is long, tedious work. You can't just find somebody that can start weaving like he does. It's a skill that he's acquired over 20 years. If you can just imagine how beautiful this is going to be once it's totally woven, because you can see right here how nice just this edge is. But when it's woven, the entire tabletop, it will be quite beautiful. As he weaves, when he gets to the end, he will put it off over the side and staple it so that nothing comes apart while he's doing this job. Can you imagine how long it's going to take to finish this tabletop? It's going to take a long time. And you need to have, like I said, the skill, but more importantly, patience. So far, it's looking really nice. Really nice.